Hello, everybody. This is Vishal from Stockbox Technologies. I'm a research analyst at Stockbox. Stockbox is a SEBI registered research firm, and you are here for the weekly market outlook. Yes, we're going to discuss the important levels for breakout and breakdowns for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, we are going to discuss the two most important indices right now for us, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, where people put most of their trades. So we had seen quite a range bound market in the past week, but it was still volatile. The market was volatile in a small range. This has been the whole past week. Volatile in small range. This was the market in the past week. But what about the next week? In the next week, we have some really important levels, and we can see there are a lot of lower levels for Nifty. So yes, there are going to be some lower levels, and we have a different kind of expectation this week. So when it comes to our bullish expectations, we are going to discuss the bullish expectations first. We have 23,700 here. This level. We expect Nifty to blow up only above 23,700 for the next week. Again, we have closed at 23,500 here. You can see the past 4 trading days, this has been the range. This is the range Nifty has traded. The upper range is around 600 and the lower range is around 350. So this has been the past trading week range. If you come to the lower levels, the first support that we have is 23,300 here. This is where the first support is. The next support is 23,100. This is going to be the second support for Nifty. And if you want to take any buy position and long position in Nifty for the next week, two important supports that you can use is 23,300, the immediate support, and 23,100. Which is a really important support. Now, what happens if we break 23,100? In case Nifty closes below 22,800, if Nifty closes here, then we have to be a little bearish. We can see some movement downside for Nifty. Similarly, if Nifty breaks 23,700, we can see it touching 24,000 in the same week or next. So this is our expectation for Nifty. If you look at VIX, VIX is going to be an important factor here. Why? Because VIX has also shown a big range. It is, if you look at the chart, we have a chart for VIX as well. So this was the level achieved on the election results. Election results. This was a really volatile session. We know that everybody knew that this is going to be a very volatile session, and we peaked here at around 31. This was the peak, and since we have been in a continuous drop, you can see the VIX dropping, but after reaching here, this point, 13 and 14, we have seen VIX go as low as 11 and go as above as 14. So between 11 and 14, VIX is changing every day, and what we see is that premiums are decaying really fast when the stock moves even a little further from the strike price. Why is this happening? Two reasons. We are in the last week now. This is last week for expiry. For Nifty, Bank Nifty, of course, we have weekly expiries as well every week, but for stocks, this is going to be the last week. Will yield require more margins? Decay is going to be much more, so you have to be very careful when you are taking the trades. Now we are going to discuss Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you can see, we have the upper level of 52,050. If Bank Nifty is able to cross this, we might see even better momentum up to 53,000 in the same week, which is not a lot, which is around 2%. For Bank Nifty, it is not going to be a lot. If you look at the support side, we have a support of 51,300, the immediate support. This is the first support for Bank Nifty, and the next support is going to be 50,000 900. This is going to be the next big support for Bank Nifty. Now we have one last expectation from Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has done quite well in the past week. If you can see the charts, we have grown quite well. We have made new highs. We have done well. The momentum was good. The closing was also good. So we can see some momentum here. But the problem is Bank Nifty might stay here the complete week. So we might expect Nifty to stay between this range, 23,650 is the upper range and 23,300 is the lower range. This might be the trading range for Nifty for the next week. Similarly, Bank Nifty, if it doesn't cross the highs, it might just trade here. So you have to be very careful of one thing. Just be cautious. Be cautious of decay. If you are an option buyer, don't hurry. Don't take too many positions in huge quantities, because you might get trapped for the complete week and you might also lose a lot to theta decay. So you have to worry about one important factor in the last week for stock options and index options as well. So this is it for today. This is our outlook for the next week. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you next week. Thank you so much.